All right, good morning. We have here, let me. Okay, we're here. We're here. Still have these black bars I need to fix. One day I'll fix those. Anyways, market time. It is Wednesday. Finally got some news today. We had PPI come out very bullish. At 5:30. No news the rest of the day. This was that news candle. We'll zoom out. I just got rid of Asia high and London high. But you can see Asia high was like right here. Um, we manipulated past that and reversed. London high was right here. And so I guess you could say either on this bit here, we manipulated, London manipulated, and then reversed. Or you could say right here, London manipulated, then reversed. So today's daily profile is London session manipulation plus reversal, which is leading to a New York continuation, and that's on both indexes. And that's what I did wrong yesterday. Is also you want to pair um, daily profile with draws on liquidity. So like today, daily profile is saying shorts because we're wanting to continue this reversal down. Even right here, we broke 5 minute structure right here. I guess you could go right there, broke 5 minute structure on this candle. So we're looking to continue the reversal down, which is good that we got bullish PPI because that means we can, you know, we're getting even more because we're going lower to get to these spots. So yeah, draws on looking good to the downside on both. ES were ATH by a long shot. NQ not at ATH, but we are slowly taking out um, these low resistance highs. We got all the way up to here, and then we couldn't reach this guy, but that's alright. So we broke or swept this high right there. And now looking just strictly at draws on liquidity, lots of low resistance lows to the downside, lots of LRL, trading lingo. Um, so shorts are looking good on ES, Nasdaq, both of them. I kind of just want to trade Nasdaq just because it's better. I'm not seeing any sort of SMTs. Maybe lower time frame. Maybe, but I'm not gonna put too much stock into those. Um, so basically, again, what am I looking for as far as an entry? Um, so we paired our draws on liquidity, which are to the downside, which is where I think price will want to draw to. We're pairing that with the daily profile, which is London session manipulation plus reversal, which means New York continuation. What do we want to see on New York continuation? We want to see this exactly right here. We want to see this low time frame, low resistance liquidity. We want to see these highs that were put in get swept, which is what's happening, at least this high. So we got this high at least that got swept. This one did. Oh, it did. Okay. So yeah, now we're going right into market open. This, as I'm getting into this trade and looking back on this, don't knock yourself down for getting into a trade early on these continuation trades, these continuation models. You're looking to get in early. And remember, execution wise, your 4 steps, you're not looking for a liquidity sweep of a key level. You're looking for manipulation of these low resistance, low time frame highs, which we got. We took care of broke that one, and we swept out that high. So we are good to go. So we got that 5 minute manipulation to the upside, or of those low resistance, low time frame highs. And now we're still looking for the same pattern of confirmation, continuation, confirmation, entry. But this all on the 1 minute now. We're not doing 5 minute confirmation, 5 minute continuation, zooming into 1 minute. We're doing off the manipulation. We're doing 1 minute confirmation, 1 minute continuation, 1 minute confirmation. Holy, oh my God. Okay, let's lock in now. So we got our break structure. um, so yeah, we're on this uptrend to take this high out, and do we put in this low, then we put in this low. This is our first 1 minute confirmation, which was a 1 minute break of structure. Now let's just please not tank all the way to data lows or any of my take profits, please. Let's get a good retrace here. So now we're looking for a low continuation. How did ES print? ES print like the exact same. Okay, so on both of these, oh my fair value gap. Okay. No, come retrace, please. Please come retrace. Baby, kiss me through the bone. Kiss me through the bone. Okay. Lock in, prize. Lock in, lock in. We're getting the. Hold on. ES might be looking better. What is that? What is that candle print? Let's go ahead and hit equilibrium, please. Ah. Yeah, I think we're gonna want to push higher. Yes, okay. There's no chance we hit any sort of order block, breaker block. Let's just look to hit these continuation confluences of equilibrium. Yes, K, equilibrium on ES and Q. Let's see if we can hit equilibrium. I want a big retrace up so we can form a fair value gap into here. If not, I'll use a 79% extension. Yes, come on. There we go. Let's tap equilibrium. Okay, so we got in. I shorted NQ there. Um, Again, didn't want to wait for that candle to close. We got in right at the bottom of this candle. This is where we ended up pressing it. It's like right here about. This is where we're looking to. Yeah, I mean, shit, I don't mind this. ES hit its confluences better, and I wouldn't be in on ES yet, but I just NQ moves so much better. I just have to. Knocking on the bar. So where would I want to take profits? ES is struggling to get out of this fair value gap. I don't see why. I think NQ's moving well. ES is stalling. I just want to blow past these data lows. Please, let's blow past these data lows. I don't want to react off these. Please don't react off these. That would be a nasty SMT if we did. Okay, come on. That's the push we need. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Go break past the slow. If we can break past this 1 minute low, that would be great. 'Cause I don't want to make an SMT off this data low. Ah, it's a nasty SMT. Please don't. Please don't do it. Wow, I can't believe it. It's actually doing it. It's actually making an SMT off the data lows. No way. No way. No way. I'm gonna lose a crazy amount if I lose this. That 1600 isn't horrible. I mean, it's not great. 1.5% of my account. No way we make a nasty SMT off these data lows. Brother, no. No. Don't do it. Don't. Maybe I should wait for more confirmation on ES to see if ES is gonna also hit the same confluences, but I don't know. It is best to, because they're correlated, if I'm seeing a trade set, that's why TJR so often goes through and says, looks at stuff for like SMTs, looks for um, entries to be hit on both indexes, because if both are hit, if entries are hit on both indexes, then it's pretty fair to say price is going to go where you think it's going to go. But even if, okay, so let's lock in real quick. Refresh that puppy. Um, Man, we are getting some choppy action. Why are we wanting to react off these data lows? Why? 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 Why are we reacting off these? As long as we don't break this 1 hour for value gap on ES, I think we're fine. But why are we reacting off these? We're making a nasty bullish SMT off this data low. Come on. There we go. Can we break past this low? Please break past this low. Get a candle closure below these candle closures, please. Let's check this out. If London low, what time was that? 2:20. That would be my TP1. Pro, what is this? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we're doing it. Oh no, we're doing it. Fuck. No. Yeah, that's gotta be it for me. There's no way. Okay, so if we hit London low, that's when I take out manage half my position, move stops to break even, and go from there. But I think we're gonna be out of this trade. Inverting this 1 minute fair value gap on ES. You've been struggling at these data lows. So I think we're done off of it. I think we're making a bearish SMT off data lows and we're going to ATH. Damn, that's tough. That is tough. I like my setup for my confluences and all that. Daily profile with New York continuation. I liked my draws on liquidity to the downside. We also had data lows in there as well, which obviously is what the only thing Price wanted to draw to. Um, but overall, I like that I got on early today too. I was on the charts by 5:45, so I was able to create this good bias, which I still like 99% of the time because I'm trying to get better with pairing up, like I might have mentioned before, pairing up my daily profile with the draws on liquidity, the strong draws on liquidity. So like today, here I'll go show you. Oh, whoa. Um. Anyways, we'll look at that later. Um. Wait a minute. No, I might have to manage my position. Holy what? Okay, that's exactly what we needed. What did ES do off that? Oh, ES. Wow. Okay, yeah. Glad I didn't trade ES because I would have got stop hunted. Oh, I would have got stop hunted right here, and then oh, I would have been pissed. Would have been pissed. That was anticlimactic. Uh, yes, there we go. Come on, come on. Anyways, what I was saying. Um, looking at draws on liquidity, and by that I mean looking where the low resistance draws on liquidity are for the high time frame, which today it was shorts, and then seeing if the daily profile fits that, and seeing what part of the daily profile we're in. Like today was a continuation trade to the downside for the daily profile. Everything matched that, and we were cooking. My entries are always kind of late. I've noticed that. I'm never able to catch the. But like, are people catching it up here? I don't know. Uh, I always feel like I get in halfway when the move's done, but maybe that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know. All right, can we get another push to the downside, please? I have to be off by 7:30 today because I work. Ugh, job. Um, I work at 9, so I gotta be off of here by 7:30. Get ready for work. Ugh. So if I could not have this choppy price action, that would be great. Would be lovely. All right. Well, it looks like it's going where I thought it was gonna go. Breaking 5 minute structure to the upside right here. Yeah, we're cooked. We are absolutely cooked. That'll be it. That will be it. Well, like I said, I like my trade for today, even though this is currently happening. I still like it. I don't give a damn. Okay, hold on. Let's bring up some Trade Zello right now. I don't give a damn if this whole thing is red. I will fucking make it. I don't give a damn if this is all red for months. I don't care. I will keep showing up. I will keep making these videos. You can't get rid of me. That's one thing I love about myself is you can't get rid of me. Mm-mm. I don't care how much red I see. I don't care how much red I see. Don't care. You can't get rid of me. Nothing you can do can get rid of me. Nothing. I'm here. I'm here to stay. This is what I'm going to be doing. So, you could stop me out a million times. I don't care. And that's the thing, too. Like, why would this whole month being red hurt me? Like, why would I feel ashamed about it? Only because it's an ego hit. This is all fake money. This is a prop account. Not a prop account. This is not a prop account. Paper trading. This is a fake account. Fake money, paper trading, demo account. This isn't real. The only reason this can't hurt me from a fear of losing money because this isn't real. The only reason why having a full red sheet would hurt me is because it would hurt my ego. My fear of being wrong, not my fear of losing money, not really my fear of missing out, not fear of leaving money on the table. I mean, I'm leaving a lot of money on the table, but I mean, it's literally just my fear of being wrong, my ego being hurt. So, like this right now is about to hit my stop loss. You you can't make me feel more ashamed. I'm good. I'm good. You can do whatever you want. Stop me out a million times. I don't care. The only thing a red month does is hurt my ego. That's all. And we're out. Hey, there we are. Yeah, that's gonna do it for me. Quick rerun overview. Again, I like this trade. I really do. Um, Draws on liquidity for both indexes were good for the downside. Um, so I hope my mic is good when I put this on the side. Anyways, we'll see. Um, Draws on liquidity to the downside were looked much better today. All low resistance liquidity. Um, Sweeping these highs up here to eventually go down. Um, so there wasn't much of any liquidity to the upside, actually. And like on ES, we were at ATH. There was actually no liquidity to the upside, only to the downside. We had data lows, session lows, hourly 4 hour lows. We reacted off the data lows, at least on NQ. Um, yeah, I like the draws and liquidity for shorts. I like the daily profile that presented itself, um, which was in line with reaching those draws on liquidity. So, like today, for the daily profiles, today was a New York continuation model because we manipulated during London, we manipulated and reversed. So that means New York continuation, which what we want to see happened. Um, 5 minute manipulation of low time frame. Um, low time frame highs, I guess. Here highs, but low time frame liquidity. So right here we got the manipulation, our manipulation leg at market open, or even just during pre-market. Swept those out, got the manipulation. And at that point, for the continuation model, you zoom into the 1 minute, and look, we got the 1 minute break of structure for our first continuation or confirmation confluence. We got the retracement leg on the 1 minute, which was this fair value gap. Equilibrium didn't get hit on NQ, but all we really need is this fair value gap. We tap into the fair value gap, which is our 1 minute continuation. Now we're looking for a 1 minute confirmation confluence coming out of it to get in and enter. We had a 79% extension. What's then just a candle later, we ended up getting the break of structures, so I don't mind it. It gave us a better entry for the 70, because this would have been, if we took this 1 minute low instead, our entry would have been down here instead of up here. So I'm glad that I entered off the 79% extension right here. So everything was hit. We just decided to react off these data lows. That's about it. Um, Overall, price has been pretty choppy at market open, which kind of surprised me. Actually, really surprised me. I mean, how can you expect like this on NQ? This was working out perfectly. We just needed price not to react off data lows. If price would have reacted off any of these draws right here, this London Asian lows in the middle of this, and like tap into this 4 hour fair value gap and then react off of that, I would have taken that all day. But we decided to react off the data lows, and so I wasn't able to secure any profits and got tapped out off of that. So again, I like the trade idea. I think this works out for me more often than it doesn't. So I'm gonna keep trading like this, um, and keep using that continuation model from New York and see how I continue to like that. So yeah, I guess that'll do it for the video. Again, don't care. Actually, let's resync this. See how much even worse it is now. Let's resync it. Like I said, I don't care. I will show all of this. I will show all of this. I will show my 16.67 win rate. I will show that I'm almost $7,000 in drawdown on this fake account. Again, fake account. The only thing this hurts is my ego. Don't care. Don't care if this whole month is red. Don't care. So, anyways, that will do it for me. See ya.